Alright guys, I did a bunch of shack cleaning and tried to get all the crap, the vacuum out. It's pretty bad. Lots of dead bugs everywhere and whatnot. I put the cooler master down there, moved some stuff over here, went through some stuff over there. It's been cleaning all day. And I've not really got a whole lot particularly done, but I mean, I can stand over here now and cleaned up over here. And I got to deal with all this still, but cleared out some stuff over here. And a lot of this stuff I got to go through. And there's a bunch of boxes too. These are from radios recently. So actually, boxes can get tossed. And put the other computer up here for now. I'm going to have a little area here. Put that silicone mat down for working on stuff so you don't lose screws and things like that. It's not really anti-static. And then I just got to go through some stuff here. A couple computer cases that maybe I should get rid of. PlayStation stuff that I need to consolidate and figure out which one works, which one doesn't, and switch the parts on them. So, anyway, I've been pretty busy at this all day. So, not really doing too much other than that. And I did a extended fast today also. So I think I ate last night at about 1:30 and I waited till about 7:30 to eat. And so I'm starting to notice that if you do an extended fast, you actually do burn some fat and lose a little bit of weight. So a lot of times I get up in the morning, I don't feel like eating. Get up in the afternoon, I don't feel like eating, or whatever I get up. It depends on how late I stay up, but I don't feel like eating. And I can go many hours before I actually feel like eating. So I just go a little bit further to hit that like 16, 17, 18 hour mark. And so that's what I did today. Yesterday I think I hit 14 hours. And then today I hit like 18. So, and I came out here and did a bunch of cleaning while I wanted to eat. It's not like painful hunger, but it's just like, just so used to eating. So I'm just trying to get in better shape. Been lifting the weights and exercising and trying to eat better and trying to stay more organized as well. So I notice the subscriber count going backwards every day. It goes down like a couple. Went down about 3 today. I haven't put anything out except for I did put out a video. It's still uploading. It's some pretty crazy stuff on 3845. You might check it out. The guy's talking about buying a sailboat, going down to Mexico, and doing adult things, I guess, and leaving the sailboat down there and putting it up for sale and coming back here and talking to all the guys on 3845. I just heard some pretty wild stuff, so I thought I'd record it. Hopefully it doesn't get me in trouble on YouTube. But anyway, we're just trying to do some organization in the shack. I need to move some stuff around. And that's about it for Sunday. So I'll upload this video and then probably, unless I do a bunch of computer crap or something, that'll be it. I think maybe I need to do less uploads. I don't know. I'm not sure why I'm seeing the decline in subscribers. I never used to see the numbers ever change. I could go days without uploading and nothing would change. And now it's really weird because I see if I don't upload, it goes backwards. So I'm like, what am I doing wrong here? Are these bot subscribers that are disappearing? Are these people that are unsubscribing because they don't like the content I'm putting out? I don't know. I can't figure it out. YouTube is like forever confusing the hell out of me. So anyway, I'm just trying to get my radio stuff lined up so I can play on the radio, fix stuff, and have fun. So If I can do well on YouTube, cool. If not, I guess, oh well, right?